Good morning, student. Student, class 10. Today's topic is linear equation in two variables. Student, linear equation in two variable. Two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Since power of x and y is 1, when the degree of variables is 1, then it is said to be a linear equation. Since there are two variables, then it is called linear equation in two variables. And a, b, c are the constant. X and y are the variables, and a is a coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, and c is a constant term. Student, there are two linear equations. Let two linear equations in two variables are a1x plus b1 by plus c1 equal to 0. Another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This type of equation having three types of the solution, so it is called condition of consistency. So there is a condition for consistency. It means solution will exist or not exist if it is a unique solution. So there is a first condition for unique solution. If it is unique solution, then a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Then if it is no solution, means solution does not exist, then a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 and is not equal to c1 upon c2. Then there is a third condition, when equations are having infinite many solutions. So there is a infinite many solutions. Condition for that, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. When coefficient of x, take the ratio a1 upon a2 equal to coefficient of y b1 upon b2 and equal to the ratio of constant term, they all are equal, then equations are said to be, they are having infinite many solutions. Student, if we see the graphical condition, of given equations, so it is also three times. The first case when it is having unique solution. Unique solution. If we draw the graph of given equations are like that: a1x plus b1 by plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2 by plus c2 equal to 0, then these two lines they intersect at one point, is a point of intersection. When we will get the unique solution, then two lines will intersect only one point and it is called point of intersection. The second case, when these equations having no solution, it is no solution. And if we draw the lines, if we draw the graph of these lines, then these lines are parallel. Parallel lines, they will not intersect and they are not having any solution. This is the line 1 or equation 1. It is L2. These are the parallel lines. Not having any solution. And third case is a infinite many solution. Infinite many solution. As you know, condition for this is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. Here, condition that is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. Then we will get a single line or unique line. Both equations, they are having a common line and there are infinite many points where lines are intersecting. So it is called infinite many solutions. There are, and lines are said to be coincident. Coincident lines. And there are infinite many solutions. If we see the condition of consistency, then if we see the consistency of the system, so student, here whenever we will get the solution, either it is a unique solution or infinite many solution, then it is said to be lines are consistent. So case 1, the unique solution. So we can say given linear equations are consistent. Given linear equations are consistent. When there is a solution, then it is said to be consistent. Second case, no solution. Then it is said to be inconsistent. consistent. Because in this case we are not getting any solution. Third case is infinite many solution. Then it is also said to be consistent. So whenever we will get the solution, lines are said to be consistent in first case and the third case. Second case is said to be inconsistent.